Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Ultimate Amazon KDP Publishing Mastery course. My name is Seth Amazon, and I am the creator of this course. In this course, I am going to be sharing with you everything you need to know about Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, how you can become a master, an expert, even if you have no experience at all. This is a self paced course. That is to say, you can start anytime you want and finish anytime you want. This is a course that has never been done by anyone before. So you are going to be experiencing a lot. I will take you through the basics up to the point where you are confident enough to publish any book on Amazon KDP. The essence of this particular course is not about the rush and pull of making money by simply publishing any kind of books on Amazon, but about showing you and guiding you through learning the skill and also the business of Amazon publishing. This will be more useful if you are an author yourself or if you hope to publish books for other authors as a business. This is nothing like the many affiliate programs you have ever seen. This is nothing like the quick get rich quick schemes that are everywhere on the internet, but this is about pure expertise, mastery of the Amazon KDP platform. If you're ready with me, let's dive in as we proceed. So before we get started, just a little bit about me. I am Seth Amazon, as I'm fondly called, but my name is Seth A. Thomas, and I'm an author. I've authored a number of books myself, which are on Amazon. If you search Seth A. Thomas on Amazon, you will see a number of my books, which are also doing well for themselves. I am an Amazon publishing master, if I say so myself, having published over 1,000 books for myself and other authors collectively in the past few years. I believe I have been able to master every single aspect of Amazon publishing. And it is as a result of this expertise that I make bold to call myself a master of the Amazon KDP publishing platform. And like I said earlier, my expertise does not really lie on showing screenshots and telling you that you can make 1,000 or $1 million in a month, but about teaching you a digital skill that can be useful for you for a lifetime. That you can be able to publish books that you will build up as a passive system generator, as a passive profit generator that you set up once and you earn for life. I'm passionate about building digital systems for lifetime passive profits, and this is my motivation for doing this course. I believe that anybody can master, can learn any digital skill, and that digital skill can be a source of lifetime passive profit. I always love to see people having digital skills, building digital systems, because I believe that digital systems, digital skills, digital products have the power to help you achieve so much more than even physical products will do, especially in even shorter times. So, quickly, I'll take you through the outline of this course and I'll just read through, after which we will start the course proper. So, first off, we're going to be having an introduction and I'll share with you the requirements for starting up the Amazon publishing systems. We are going to now go into account setup. I'll show you how to set up a KDP account. I'll show you how to set up a foreign account, especially for those who live in third world countries. I'll also show you how to integrate your account with Amazon KDP, your bank account that is, and also how to fill in the tax interview. Whether you are in the third world or in the first world, I'll share all of that. Then I'm going to show you how to format your book interiors. We're going to talk about the tools required and general overview. I'll show you how to format Kindle, paperback, and hardcover. These are the three major and popular formats for Amazon publishing. We'll talk about these three because this is what is available to everyone on the app. Then next, we're going to talk about how to format your book covers for Kindle, paperback, and hardcover. Then I'll show you how to publish Kindle, paperback, and hardcover. Then I will now show you how to get your shareable book purchase link and when the books are now live. I will then show you how to make changes to your published book if required and necessary. I'll show you how to delist or unpublish a book after it has been published. Then I will show you how the report and analytics of the Amazon KDP platform works so that you can be able to know when sales are made and how much you make. And then I will explain to you how and when royalties are paid on the Amazon KDP platform. Then I will show you how to set up your own author's profile. And in the case that you're working with another author, how to set that up for them. Then I also show you how to order author's copies when the book goes live, especially for the paperback and hardcover. Then I will show you how to promote your book using Amazon ads. And then I will show you how you can contact support and use that to resolve any issues you may find after your book is published or as you proceed along the way. And then lastly, we have a recap and conclude on the course. If this is something that excites you as much as it does for me, I welcome you again to this course that I believe will be life changing for you. So I'll see you in the next module where we start the course proper.